Hi, you two. How you doing? So I thought today we'll have a little look at looking at time in even smaller segments than quarters. So today we're going to have a little look at how many minutes each of the numbers on the clock represent. Okay, so when we're looking at it being o'clock, oh, it's just gone o'clock, isn't it? There we go. At the minute, the hand's at the top, so it's o'clock. And the small hand, the hour hand, is pointing to the 5. So it's 5 o'clock. So when we're looking at the hour hand, that tells us when it's pointing to a number that's the hour it is. Well, the hour is just going past, isn't it? So when the minute hand points to one of those numbers, it shows us like it's half past. So when it points to the 6, it's half past. And when it points to the 9, it's quarter to. And when it points to the 3, it's quarter past. But we can also look that when the minute hand points to each of these numbers, it's 5 minutes further past the hour. Okay? So when that big hand points to the 1, we're looking at 5 past 1. Can you see how there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more 5 jumps to get from the 12 to the 1, just like you're on a number line, isn't there? So let's try that again. So we're at the 12 and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. And each of those little lines represents 1 minute. So by the time we get to the 1, that's 5 minutes. So then if we look, shall we check that there's the same amount between the 1 and the 2? Let's have a look. So we start on the 1 and we do our jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by the time we've jumped from the 12, we've done 1 jump of 5 to the 1 and 2 jumps of 5 to the 10. What's 2 groups of 5? Let's count in 5s. 5, 10. Amazing. So by the time we get to the minute hand pointing at the 2, we've travelled 2 lots of 5, which is 10 minutes. So now we're at 10 minutes past 5. What do you think the next amount would be if we travel 5 minutes more to get to the 3? Yeah, it is quarter past, but we can also call that 15 minutes past because we've travelled. Let's go back to the top to check. We've travelled, I'm going to jump in 5s, ready, count with me. We've travelled 5, 10, 15 minutes around the clock. I wonder if we can figure out how many minutes. Shall we go around all of the numbers and see if we can check how many minutes there are in the hour? Are you ready to count with me? Ready? 5, 10, 15. Are you watching that minute hand go round? Good. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Are there 60 minutes in an hour? There are 60 minutes in the hour. Well done. Absolutely brilliant. So now we've travelled all the way round, all 60 minutes. We've now got to 6 o'clock, haven't we? Okay. So you can use lots of different things. So when it's at the 4, here we have this one. Ready? We're going to travel 5, 10, 15, 20. So when we get to the 4, the minute hand gets to the 4, it is 20 past because we've travelled 20 minutes from the 12, which is where we start, isn't it? Okay. So what would be the other way of saying half past? Should we have a look? So we're at 20. Can we count on from 20? 20, 25, 30. So half past is the same as 30 minutes past, isn't it? Okay. Now, we can carry on going 35 minutes past, 40 minutes past, 45 minutes past, 50 minutes past, 55 minutes past. Oh, it's 7 o'clock. Okay. Or we can look at it the other way. So everything on this side, between the 12 and the 6 going clockwise, we say is past. And everything from the 6 to the 12 is 2. We looked at that yesterday, didn't we, when we were doing quarters? Okay? So This way we've counted on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes past. Then we get to half past. This way we can go backwards. So if we take away 5 minutes, we've got 5 minutes to travel until it's 7 o'clock, isn't it? So we can say that's 5 minutes to 7. So if it was at the 10, we can say it's 10 minutes to 7 because we've got 10 minutes to travel until we get to the 12. Okay. This one, you're right. 6:45. Well done. Oh, you're on it, you guys, aren't you? So it could be 6:45, or we can say 5, 10, 15 minutes to 7. So we've got 15 minutes until we get to 7 o'clock. Okay. We're going to do this one as well. Okay, yeah, you've got it, haven't you? That's right. So it's now 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes until 7 o'clock. Yeah, 25 minutes to 7 o'clock, and we're back to half past. So sometimes it's easier if we're looking at this side of the clock, the numbers 6 to 12, that we look at them as minutes to, and sometimes counting fives from the 12 backwards. Okay? Have a little go, see how you get on, and let me know. It's super tricky this time, but I know that you guys are absolutely going to nail it. Well done. Good job.